on, girl boy.
พี่
Take
บู
it
โรเขา
easy.
จะดีนะ
What's all the hurry? Now, girl boy.
Have one
Settle
job.
down.
Look behind you.
There's a bubble dog. He's a cute bubble dog, and I love that bubble dog.
Did you know that if you were born like a couple
First I was
hundred
afraid
years
we'd missed them.
earlier,
Perhaps they passed on by the park. Then suddenly, I spotted them. It was a perfect situation if I planned it right. I couldn't depend on Roger. I knew what he'd do. He'd settle down on the grass and puff his pipe, and that'd be it. No, it was all up to me.